We're going to explain how to compare two columns in Excel to find missing data. This is a common task when you have two datasets that should ideally contain the same information, but one might be incomplete. There are several ways to approach this, and we'll cover a couple of the easiest methods. Using conditional formatting. This is a visual approach, ideal for quickly spotting discrepancies. Let's say your data is in columns A and B. First, select column A. Then go to the Home tab and click Conditional Formatting. Choose Highlight Cells Rules, then Equal To. In the box that pops up, enter LB1. This compares each cell in column A with the corresponding cell in column B. Click Format, and select a fill color, like red, to highlight any differences. Now any cells in column A that don't match the corresponding cells in column B will be highlighted. You can repeat this process selecting column B and comparing to A to see missing data in B. This method lets you visually identify missing entries without creating a separate column. 2. Using a helper column with the IF function. For a more detailed analysis, we can use a helper column. Let's insert a new column C. In cell C1, enter the formula XF ISERROR match A1 B B SARO, missing, present. This formula searches for the value in cell A1 within the entire column B. Match returns the position of the value if found, and an error if not. ISERROR checks for that error. If an error occurs, meaning the value in A1 is not in B, it displays missing, otherwise it displays present. Drag this formula down to apply it to all rows. Column C will clearly show which values from column A are missing in column B. Find what's missing in A, reverse this formula, placing it in column D. F ISERROR match B1A AZO, missing, present. Now column D will show what's missing from A. This gives you a precise record of the missing data in both columns. Using COUNTIF and a helper column. Another helper column approach uses the COUNTIF function. In cell C1, enter eCOUNTIF BBA1. This counts how many times the value in A1 appears in column B. If the result is 0, it means the value in A1 is missing from column B. Drag this formula down. You'll see a 0 for each missing value in A compared to B. Then you can filter column C to show only the rows where the count is 0. This will reveal exactly what's missing in B from A. Similarly, do it the other way around to find what's missing in A from B. These methods offer various ways to effectively compare two columns in Excel and identify missing data. Choosing the best method depends on your data size and the level of detail needed. Remember to adjust the column letters and ranges to match your actual worksheet.